be looking at the Forester 2441 DSF on the Ford E450 chassis. This unit's going to give you a GVWR of 14,500 pounds. Your height on this unit's going to be 11 feet 3 inches. Exterior length is going to be 27 feet 1 inch. Width on this unit's going to be 8 feet 5 inches. Freshwater capacity of 44 gallons. Black water of 39 gallons. Gray water also of 39 gallons. And your awning length on this unit's going to be 18 feet. Hi, Jevon Monaghan here with RV Wholesalers. I'm going to go over the Forester 2441 with you here. This is going to be sitting on the Ford E450 chassis for you. Going to have a nice full-length awning here with your LED stripe lighting going all the way down on that unit. This unit's going to give you great outside entertainment. We've already got the integrated TV here on the outside for you. Your propane there, and then even give you some nice storage for you down there. This unit does come ready for solar as well. Moving on down, again, going to give you some more storage here on the outside for you. Again, all important when you're out there camping. So here on the rear, you are going to have your rear view camera for when you're backing up. Gives you your 2-inch receiver hitch there with your 7-pin. The Ford chassis is going to give you a 7,500 pound towing capacity with that hitch for you there as well. Going to give you your rear storage here on the back corner. And then right next to it's going to give you your water hookups and everything, exterior shower, and be able to keep everything there enclosed. Gives you a nice little cap there on the bottom so you don't have to keep that cabinet open while you're hooked up there for you. Then you've got your electric hookup here for when you're on shore power. All right, so here we are at the cockpit of the motorhome. Gives you nice access to the rest of the coach from the front here. Going to give you your entertainment center right above that rather than an overcab bunk. This is going to swivel out for you some to give you a nice area to be able to watch even from your dinette there that we'll go over here in just a second. Gives you some nice storage as well up here on your entertainment center for movies, whatever you need to there. Coming around here, you do get your nice residential sink here. This is going to be one sink, not the double. Gives you a nice pull through here. Forster's done a nice thing for you here. Right back here behind the sink, I'm going to give you a wireless hookup. Throw your phone on there, and it's going to give you a nice little charge. So nice, convenient for you. Be able to sit your phone there while you're out, outside watching TV or whatever. Get a nice charge on your phone. And then gives you a nice access here for a trash can right from the counter here. So again, make that real nice for you. Going to give you your nice 3-burner stove. I'm going to give you your microwave just below that for you. And then again, you've got your storage just above there for you as well. So opposite of your sink and kitchen area is going to be your dining area, your U-shaped dinette here. Of course, this will lower down into a bed as well for you, giving you some great storage up above here for you as well. One nice thing Forster's done here for their storage is they've given you a nice pull out, spice rack, pantry, whatever you want to use that for, but really utilizes that small space for you there really nicely as well. So you're gonna have your 12-volt fridge here. Gives you plenty of storage, both fridge and freezer space. Nice little travel lock there. That way, as you're going down the road, those aren't going to pop open on you and put all your food out on the floor. So great option there for you. I'm going to move you over to your bed here. Does give you a nice little partition here that'll pull across if you want to keep the bed area separate from the front for whatever reason. But nice walk around. Can get access both sides of this bed very nicely. giving you a nice storage there above your bed, then a shelf there as well on both sides of the bed for you. Great size closet here for you. Nice little hanging rod there for you to hang some clothes. Be able to fit, you know, set quite a bit of clothes in there. Makes it real nice for you. Gives you yet another option to watch TV. So this will give you your third space on this unit to watch entertainment if that's what you like to do when you're out camping. Definitely got plenty of locations to do that for you as well. So then it gives you your light controls here. Gives you an outlet as well for you. So in the bathroom here, gives you a nice little counter spot there. Gives you a nice cover for the sink in case you need some extra counter space, but then of course be able to move that nice and easily to use that sink. Medicine cabinet above for you there. Quite a bit of space for you to put things in there for you for your camping trip. Gives you a nice size shower here, ceiling to floor surround with a nice sliding door for you there to use on that shower. Gives you that skylight above as well for a little bit of extra headroom. If you tall fellows need a little extra space, makes it nice for you there. Do have a vent here above with an exhaust fan for you. Be able to help flow some of that air throughout the entire unit. Get a nice little airflow. Then here in the space with the commode, gives you all kinds of storage here, some drawers, some cabinets, and then tucked nicely back here in the corner, floor flush mount toilet for you. Nice little kind of private space back in here for you to do your business. So that is the Forester for you. I hope you've enjoyed going through it as much as I have. I'm sure you've got a ton of other questions that we didn't cover in this video. By all means, give us a call, 877-877-4494. You can reach myself and my sales team at extension 1000, or we've got several guys there in the sales room more than happy to go over this unit and others with you. We look forward to talking to you. Have a great day, guys.